Welcome back to another Mile High Sneakers video. Today I'll be working on a pair of Jordan 6 DMPs from 2006. The shoe has a lot of separations between the midsole and outsole due to the shoe's age. As seen, I will need to replace the midsole due to the midsole crumbling from age. Along with the midsole, I also will need to replace the back tab on the left shoe. I'm going to start off the restoration by removing the sole from the shoe. Now I'm using acetone and a putty scraper to remove the crumbled bits of midsole off the outsole. In the smaller areas that the putty scraper cannot fit, I'm using the blade of an X-Acto knife to remove the old outsole. As you can see, the acetone ended up lifting some of the original paint on the outsole, which I will need to repaint. Matching up the new midsole to the original outsole, I see that I will need to trim some of the new midsole. After removing a decent amount of material off the new midsole, I'm able to match the outsole and midsole up perfectly. I made a near perfect 1-to-1 match of the original DMP gold color using pearlescent gold, metallic bronze, and a tiny bit of black. After laying down my first few coats of the gold, I realized that it was very textury. To combat the texture on the midsole, I'm going to start off by sanding down the midsole with 150 grit and ending at 600. After sanding down the midsole, the paint laid down much smoother. and feels brand new after laying down the coats of black and gold. Now I will tackle repainting the outsole. Repainting the outsole helps hide any imperfections in the midsole. I laid down multiple coats onto the outsole to help hide any imperfections. I'm going to need to remove some more material off the midsole as the toe cap is not fitting perfectly with the outsole. If you made it this far into the video, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe as it truly helps me out.